Okay, Aaron Parker, Parker Safes and Vaults, Shelbyville, Tennessee. So this is an unboxing, right? Everybody likes that stuff. But this is an American Security BFX6030, and it's black, black textured finish with a black, or what they call an onyx door, so like a gloss door. But let's take the box off. This is kind of for a customer. He wanted to see it, so I thought I'd do the whole thing. All right. Here. And sometimes this comes off in one nice piece. Not every time. All right. There we go. Put it back on in a second. All right, and then they use these little styrofoam blocks to kind of protect everything. But this is brass hardware. All right, let's see if we're open here. Probably not. All right, sorry. All right. But the BFX 6030 is a plate steel door safe. It has a half-inch plate door. So that means, unlike a lot of the competition there, it's one solid plate. I think I've gone over that plenty of times in other videos. But so it's got a half-inch outer plate, and then rather than using drywall for their fire lining, they use like a poured-in material called dry light that sets up kind of a little bit like concrete. And these have a 2-hour 1200 degree rating. We'll get in here, so. We're keeping track of the numbers. And it is a gear drive, so you notice it takes about a turn and a half. And I'm just grabbing, normally there's a 5-spoke handle on here, but I'm just grabbing the hub and retracting the bolt works rather. All right. So yeah, it looks pretty good. They normally look good. American Security is very good about their craftsmanship and inspections before they leave and all that kind of stuff. But all the paperwork's where it should be. And let's see, it does come with a light kit and a 5-spoke handle there is right there. And I'll probably put those on for another picture. Oh, we can just do it, I guess. You guys have gone this far in this video, right? So the handles are all wrapped up in like, it's some kind of paper. It's not paper towels, but it's kind of like that. And then these guys just thread into the hub. And I used to have some problems with other manufacturers where these things just would not thread in. I mean, like, you'd have to tap the darn thing, and you know what I mean? Like, run a set of taps in there and get it to go in. But never had any trouble with American Security stuff. It's high quality stuff. All right, so we're getting there. We did put the hinge finials, the decorative hinge caps, as some people call them, but the finials here, these are brass, so kind of gives it a nice balanced look. And this is all gloss, my bad. I was thinking it was a two-tone, but this is all gloss. Onyx is the color, so it's just a black. Anyway, there it is. That's a BFX6030 from American Security. Just the unboxing, right? I didn't get into the details, but I've got other videos out there if you want to see details on these. Very nice safes, and we can get you one if you want one. So thanks for having a look, and let me know if you have any questions.